Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. So, before starting this class, we'll rewind what we learnt in last videos. Okay, in the beginning, we learnt about clock and calendar. In clock, we learnt about minutes, seconds, hour, right? How to represent time in standard form, right? So, after that, in calendar, what we learnt? We learnt about day, week, month, year, leap year, and no moon day, full moon day, right? So after that we started exercise part of tick tick tick, right? So in exercise part we solved the practice time, find out, and we did some activities, right? So after that, we started Rani's diary, right? So today we are continuing the Rani's diary, okay? Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? See, when Munia got her first tooth, she got her first tooth in 15th September 2005, right? So how many months old was she then? So what you have to do, when she was born, from that day to this day you have to calculate, right? How to calculate? See, March month means which month? Third month. September month means ninth month, right? So which is the big number, 3 or 9? 9. So 9 minus 3 will be equals to 6, right? After that, years are same, that's why we are not calculating the year. Calculate only months and days, okay? 15 and 5. Which is the big number, 15 or 5? 15. That's why 15 first, after that minus 5, okay? 15 minus 5 will be equals to 10. So when Munia got her first tooth, she was 6 month 10 days old, okay? 6 month 10 days old. Here only you can write if you want, okay? I wrote here first answer. Next, here they asked second question. How many months have passed from March to September? See, March to September, how many months passed, children? That is 6 months, right? So 6 months also you can write March, April, May, June, July, August, September. From March 5th to April 5th, 1 month. April 5th to May 5th, 2 months. May to June 5th, 3rd month. June to July 5th month, 4th month. July to August 5th, 5th month. August to September 5th, 6th month. So how many months she passed from March to September? That is 6 months, okay? Next one, how old was Munia when she first sat up? See, when she sat up on 10th November 2005, right? So what we need to do? Same as we did here, like that only here also we are doing, okay? So November month means which month? That is 11th month, okay? So when she was born on 5 March 2005, right? We have to calculate from the beginning date only, okay? So 11th November, 11, see here we have years are same, that's why we are calculating only months and date, okay? November means 11th month minus March means 3rd month will be equals to 8. And here we have date, different dates, right? That's why you are calculating dates also. 10 minus 5. Which number is big, 10 or 5? 10. That's why I took 10 first. 10 minus 5 will be equals to 5. Okay. So 8 months, 5 days old. When Munia sat up, how many months she was old? Was 8 months, 5 days old. Okay. She got her first tooth. This question they already asked in first question only, right? How many months old was she when See, Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? This and this both are same. Okay. So I am writing this answer only. 6 months, 10 days. What did she do first? Here they gave two activities, walking and eating a banana. In second one, crawling and standing. In these two, which one she did first, that we have to mark. Okay. So after she born, she got her first tooth. After that she sat up. After sat up, she crawling. She started crawling, right? So here after that stood up. See, stood up. First she started crawling. After that she stood up. Okay. In the crawling or walking, which one she did first? That is crawling. That's why I marked here. Okay. Next one, walking and eating a banana. Okay. After crawling, 5th September, Munia ate banana. 2nd February, Munia started walking. Children, here what you have to observe? See, here they give different months. Okay. After January, which month will come? February. So that means after stood up, she started walking. After that, she ate a banana. Okay. That's why in these two, I marked walking first. Okay. After walking, she ate a banana. Okay. Next concept. Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened its eyes. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. Had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. After 1 year, it was a grown-up dog and got its own puppies. Now make a timeline of this dog's life in your notebook. Children, for first question what we have to do, how we wrote the Munia's timeline now in the correct way, like that only we have to write for dog. Okay, you just write it out. Okay, so if you don't get, I'll explain. Okay, so like that only you have to write. This is the assignment for you. Okay, next one, note the difference between Munia and Rani's puppies. Children, what you have to do? They gave 3 columns, positions, Munia's age and puppy's age. Okay, started walking. Here when Munia started walking, that you have to write age. Okay, and puppy, when puppy started walking, at what age he started walking, that you have to write. Okay, same, when Munia started eating food, that you have to write here. When puppy started eating food, that you have to write here. So when Munia got her first tooth, at what month, at what age she got her first tooth, that you have to write. Here also same. Okay, you just try it out. Okay, after that I'll solve it and explain again. Okay, next one, find out, do all animals grow at the same speed? See, answer for this is no. Growth of all animals are not the same. Okay. Discuss about the growth of a hen, a cow, a bird. The animals grow in the following order: bird, hen, cow. Okay. So draw pictures of the baby animals and the big animal. So children, here I am showing the pictures of dogs. Okay, when it was small and when it will become big animal. Okay, like this only you collect 4 different animals images. Okay, here are the pictures of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Who looks the oldest to you? Elephant Apu's grandfather 95 years old, Choo Choo Rat's grandfather 2 years old, Rani's grandfather 17 years old. Out of these, who looks oldest to you, children? Rani's grandfather, right? So just take it out, Rani's grandfather. Next one, How much older is Apu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? How many years old is this? 95 years old. And this 70 years old. Rani's grandfather is 70 years old. What about Apu's grandfather? He is 95 years old, right? So who is more old here? So who is older person here? Whether Rani's grandpa or Apu's grandfather? Apu's grandfather is older than Rani's grandfather, right? So Apu's grandfather is older than Rani's grandfather. Okay. Next one. Will Chuchu's grandfather ever grows old as Apu's grandfather? Children, see, Apu's grandfather is how many years old? 95 years. What about Chuchu's grandfather? 2 years old, right? So who is older than who? Apu's grandfather is older than Chuchu's grandfather, right? So here Chuchu's grandfather is not older than Apu's grandfather. So I wrote here no. Okay. How much younger is Chuchu Rat's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? So which is a big number, 70 or 2 children? 70. 70 minus 2 will be equals to 68, right? So Chuchu Rat's grandfather is 68 years younger than Rani's grandfather. Okay. So children, today we'll wind up here only. We'll meet in the next video with a new concept. Okay. Till then, take care and don't forget to rewind all the videos. Okay. Whenever you get free time, please check out all the videos and make a note of everything you feel important. Okay, everything is important in the notebook, right? So try to understand the concept and learn it every day. Okay, when you study every day, no need to fear at the time of exams. Okay, thank you.